SeaWorld San Diego's electric eel. How good is it? Let's find out in this video. The electric eel is a hydraulic launch coaster that resides in SeaWorld San Diego. San Diego SeaWorld. The roller coaster stands at 150 feet tall. Top speed is 62 miles an hour. And the ride length is about 55 seconds long. This absolute greatness of a ride is insane. This is one of my favorite rides I've ever ridden. Now, I just want to let you guys know, I haven't ridden a lot of, big coasters yet. I haven't even gone to Knott's Berry Farm. But, I'm gonna be going there in about 20 days or so. So, I should be able to ride Accelerator. That's probably my new favorite. But anyways, back to, Electric Eel. Electric Eel, right now, is my favorite roller coaster I've ever ridden. And just because it has 3 launches, it has this mini launch at the beginning, it has the backwards launch, and it has the full launch. But I'm going to tell you right now, all 3 of those launches are just so smooth. They all feel great. Absolutely great. I love this ride, everything about it. The twisting part at the top, the corkscrew, that part is amazing. Scary as heck, but, you know. That corkscrew goes so slow and it just dangles you over the top of that 150-foot monster. But it is one of the smoothest rides I've ever been on. The drop is absolutely amazing. It feels like you're about to get flung straight out of your seat. The loop is amazing. I literally go to SeaWorld just to ride this ride. It's so good. So, I'm going to let you guys watch the POV video, and then I'm going to give you my ranking about how good it is. Now this ride, the ride itself is absolutely amazing, flawless, it's completely amazing. But the one thing I don't like about the ride is the long queue times. It has one train, but it takes about 2 minutes to just load you on the train. Because what they do is you have to there's a, dang it, what's it called? Well, anyways, there's a restraint that you pull down to your waist. And then there's also this collar above you have to pull down, and then you have to, buckle it to the restraint. And that takes forever, because everyone has to do that, and then they have to help the people who don't know how to do that. And then they have to go back to the front and then check everyone's. And then you can send it, and that all takes about 2 to 3 minutes per time. So the wait lines take forever. But once you get on it, it's totally worth it. So my final ranking for this coaster is a 9 out of 10. See you guys next time. Oh yeah, I just want to let you guys know. And by the way, that clip does not belong to me. I forgot the channel's name, but I'll link their channel in the description below.